My first step is to label the three sides H, O and A. H is always the hypotenuse, i.e. the longest side, which is always directly opposite the right angle. O is always opposite the angle we're finding. In this case, as I'm finding angle X, directly opposite, in this case, O is 5 meters, and A is the remaining side. In this case, A is 12 meters. Writing down my three trig formulas, i.e. SOHCAHTOA. In this case, I know O is 5 meters, and I know A is 12 meters. As I don't have H, I can put a cross through H. The only formula triangle that links O and A, therefore, is TOA. I know T is the function, in this case T is tan, so therefore tan of X is equal to O, horizontal line means divide, divided by A. In this case O is 5, divided by A, which is 12. As I want to calculate the size of angle X, I leave X on the left hand side, and I move in this case my function, which in this case is tan, to the right hand side. If you move a function across an equal sign, it becomes what's known as the inverse function. So tan becomes what's known as the inverse of tan, i.e. tan to the minus 1. And already on the right hand side, we had 5 over 12. Substituting into my calculator, as I'm finding an angle, my first key I always press is shift. So top left shift, followed by the function, in this case tan. And you should see tan to the minus 1 appear. Then press fraction key. O over A, O in this case is 5, divided by A, which is 12. Press equals, and my answer comes out to be 22.6 degrees to 1 decimal place.
Your turn.